Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to apply for a provisional license in the UK. The first thing you need to do is to go to the official website. We'll be providing this in the details below. Then on the website, scroll down to look for Start Now. You will be informed that the application costs about $34 and you will need to have certain documents ready. These are documents such as your UK passport or biometric residence permit, your national insurance number, and your current address. There will be a question for you to answer, such as your application history, and of course you could select no if this is your first license. Then your current address, your intent to live in the UK for more than 185 days, and your medical or eyesight status. Now you will be prompted to sign into your driver and vehicle's account. If you don't have one, you will need to create an account and choose to confirm your identity without creating one. After this, enter your email address and continue to provide your personal details, including your passport, BRP, and national insurance number. Then you get to the final stage, and this is to pay the application fee, as we mentioned earlier, of about £34 at the time of making this video. After payment, you will receive an email confirmation. The provisional license card will be delivered to your home address by post, usually within 6 to 10 days. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to apply for a provisional license in the UK.